How to make paper dolls gacha moving OC DIY. She gonna get it in. I played the star god myself. Ask him a question. What problems can get the omniscient machine head? That's what I'm asking. If there were no unsolvable problems in the world, then this time, how would you prove it? I have solved many problems because I like it. But it won't be long before they become the answer. That's okay. Good things are always ahead. The answer is boring. But it can also bring new problems. For example, where will my boundaries be? Could it be that the Black Tower is a legendary big great genius? Needless to say. Take a look at these achievements. Loophole algorithm puzzle. Plasticize the model conjecture. The conversion method of sigma pillars is one method. So many problems, but life is so short. Policy sharing. I don't know if you can see it. This is Hatsumiku. I still have to sigh. There are so many finales of Hatsumiku. The first time I've seen this finale because I recently bought that epoxy. I just sealed the needle with glue. Because that's what it looks like in that picture. Transparent needle. I feel that it can be used in more places in the future. I was free just now. I just took a look at my dubbing. Discover. The earliest history of my dubbing can be traced back to 2022. At first, there were 2 singing videos. Then the rest is dubbing. Every time I start picking up video people in 2022, there should have been only one platform to send those videos. Now I send videos like an octopus. Send it to this platform and that platform. Still have to sigh. Before there was no fire. It was Chinese New Year and then I didn't go back to my hometown. Make that video call. Someone asked me what my dream was. And my dad was like, you know what? I want to have a lot of fans. Then someone asked me how many fans I had at that time. I was like 100. Now I have become a blogger who can play big. The other thing I want to mention, the sound I used to dub was really serious. There is a sense of beauty in the throat. Now I'm in love. This single owner also made an appointment with my rich packing. So I will also send a packing video of him tomorrow. Okay, bye. Order sharing. I found that there were already several people say I haven't sent it recently. What video of the paper man? At first, I thought I didn't have it. As a result, the video has not been sent for a long time. In fact, there are more rich bags recently. You can make 2 issues with 1 order. 1 phase of packaging and 1 phase will be painted. However, I have been drawing on that A4 paper recently, so I didn't send out much paper to deceive people. Today, I finally sent the paper to deceive people, but I forgot to record the assembly process. But this also has a rich package. Hey, I can water again. And the traffic of Fugui packaging is quite good. It was my previous collaboration. It's still the line draft. It's mine. And they painted it. It's a fossil. Then the assembly is mine. Because that artist can't assemble. He's not a video artist. I feel that the painter has a kind of painting. The lines feel hard. I don't know what weird adjective that is. But I really have this feeling. What's unique about this setup is that the tail is translucent like this. And I just painted it with plastic wrap. This time it's really professional. I've never been very good at wearing glasses because it's not easy to do. Okay, bye. Order sharing. Tomorrow this cardboard figure. It's a couple. It can be regarded as a family photo. I did the face painting and some trimming. The main cutting and assembly were my dad and mom. Cut is my mom. It was my dad who assembled it. And they really took the drawing. Don't put it in the camera anywhere. Let them assemble and cut. I'm still pretty scared after all. This is a missile. If you fail, then I have to draw another one. I just drew the line draft of this cardboard figure and facial coloring. Other places are drawn by other teachers. Super moving, half-blood paper man. If everyone has a picture, if you don't know how to assemble it, you can go to my dad. Just go directly to the store and private message customer service. Pricing depends on what they say. I don't know either. I'll probably also assist in the middle, because some places still need me. Like buttoning your eyes, like eyeliner. For example, the cutting part is trimmed. My mom always said she was stupid. He taught them. He didn't learn them. My dad learned to cut, so did he. There are places I told him to cut off, but he just forgets. But my mom can knit scarves. My grandmother taught him. That was fun. My uncle has learned it, but my mother hasn't. But now he knits scarves very fast. I turned to a hand-mixed thread I bought a long time ago. Then I want to knit a scarf. My mom saw it as fast as blood rose. I framed it and knitted a lot. But I don't recommend everyone to buy mixed lines. Just make your own scarf or buy a ready-made one. This thing takes too much time. Okay, bye. Make an order and share this one. It's a real person. Can anybody tell who this is? It's not the first time I've drawn a real person, but the first time I drew a real star, I felt so nervous. I'm afraid there's something wrong with the painting. Not like. Just although very in the end I still don't think it's like. But I think it's okay. I may not pick up real people in the future. Because I really feel if the painting is not good. This order was originally a half body. The single master and I forgot that he asked for a half body. Then I drew a full body. So this order is cheaper than my long price. Winter is here and the season of dry noses is starting again. My nose hurts right now. Then it will be oily. Although it has been several months in advance. Go get ready for the winter. Like a hot baby. Foot warmer. But occasionally it's still cold. I also bought an extra thick blanket with fleece. This is my OC. If you have the ability, you want to take this. It is draped on the body when flowers are flowering. Because I sent the goods to the wrong place. I also forgot. When I ask again in a few days, their family has already used it. Also changed to a fluffy quilt cover.